welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this natural summer makeup look right here. It's very glowy and everything. I did do my face makeup on camera, and later I will explain why my lips look red. I will explain later in the video, but this video is a special one because I am collaborating with KIRSTEN. She is a fellow YouTuber of mine, and she's very, very creative. Very creative. She does like really colorful looks and stuff like that, but I'll link her Instagram and her YouTube channel down below. We decided to do a summer makeup look, so she will be doing a dramatic look and I will be doing a natural look, which is right here. I don't know what she's gonna be doing, and I'm so excited to like figure out what she's gonna be doing. If you want to go check out her Instagram and her social medias, it'll be linked down below in the description for you guys. And when I'm recording this, it's a Sunday, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you. Yeah. My birthday's right around the corner and I cannot wait. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I'm so excited for you guys to see my dress and like my makeup, and I just can't wait. I will be doing a get ready with me for my birthday, not on my birthday, but it's gonna go up on Monday, and I think I'm gonna record the video on Saturday this weekend. So yeah, so good. But if you want to learn how to get this natural summer glowy makeup look, then just keep on watching. So the first palette that I'm going to dive into is this Maybelline New York Master Contour Kit in medium to deep. I really recommend you taking whatever bronzer you use for your face makeup and put it in your crease and your bottom lash line, just so like everything blends together and everything, because I do that all the time and it looks so bomb. Like, yes, like I love grabbing my bronzer and putting it in my crease, and it just makes the whole look like come together, and it just looks really good. I'm gonna put this color on the outer part of the eye and the crease, just so it gives it a little bit more definition. So now I'm going to hop into the Ulta contour kit. Like I said, I really recommend you using like your contour and your bronzer, or one or the other, but sometimes I like going in with both. So take whatever you're going to be using for your contour, which I think I'm going to be taking this one, which is called Bombshell Bronze. And I'm going to take that and do the same exact thing, put it in the crease and on the outer part of the eye. So I'm going to do my face makeup, which I'm going to do it with you guys, because if I just do the eye makeup, it's going to be a really short video and I don't want that. So we're going to do my face makeup with you guys. So what I'm going to be taking for my foundation, which this is like my favorite foundation. I have a bunch, but I think this is my favorite one, and then it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus one. That one's really good. It stays on all day, so I really recommend getting that one also. But this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in 102 Fair Porcelain. I used to have the 110, I think that one's just called Porcelain, but then I found this one, which I didn't know that there was a lighter shade, so I got this one, and this one fits me way better than the other one. So I'm going to be taking this one on my, I'm pretty sure this is an e.l.f. Beauty Blender. This is really good. If you haven't tried this yet, you need to go try it, because it's really good. I feel like this one gives me more coverage than the Real Techniques one. I don't know why, but I feel that way. I used it a while ago, but then I went back to the Real Techniques one, and then I used that for a hot minute, and then I went back to this one, and it is so good. I'm in love with it again. Like, I don't know why I stopped using it, but yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna be using this foundation, and I'm just gonna take the booty of the Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna take the foundation and just blend it out, obviously. But my concealer, I need more concealers because, like, girl, I just need more concealers. Mostly this one, this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in, what is this in? Ivory Clear. I need more of that and more of this Makeup Revolution little concealer. Yeah, I need more of these two concealers, so, like, yeah. But I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild one, put it right here, and take a little bit of the Makeup Revolution one, and then blend it out with the same Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild MegaGlo contour stick. It comes with a highlighter and a contour. This is in a medium tan. I'm going to be taking the contour, which I have a little bit left, which is sad, but it lasted so long. Like, you just need a little bit and that's it. So I'm going to be doing that right there. Now, it really looks like a mess, and I don't really care, but, like, we blend it out anyway. Now sometimes I use my beauty blender, sometimes I use a brush. I'm feeling like using a brush today, so I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush right here, and I'm going to be spraying it with water. Just like you would blend it out with a beauty blender, it's damp, so I would damp the brush and just dab it like you would do, like, with foundation and stuff. You wouldn't rub, you would, like, dab it. I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild mattifying powder in Matte About You, and I'm just going to take a brush, if I can find the one that I usually use. This right here, this is a Walgreens brush. It doesn't have a name or anything. I think it's just called powder brush, so I'm just going to be taking it and just setting my face. And then I'm going to take my Airspun loose face powder, and I'm just going to set my under eyes. Alright guys, so when I was bronzing my face and setting my nose, the camera, like, I noticed that it was off, so I have to tell you guys again what I did. I took the tip of the beauty blender, grabbed the Airspun loose face powder, and set my nose, and the reason why I kind of put the Airspun loose face powder, like, really close to my nose is because when you wipe it away and you contour your nose, it's gonna look smaller. It's just gonna give that definition, but yeah. For bronzer, I just took the same color that I put in the crease. This is supposed to be a contour, but I use it as a bronzer because I really, really like how it looks. But yeah, I just did that on my cheeks, my forehead. Now I'm going to sweep away the powder from my under eyes and, like, over here, my cupid's bow, my smile lines, and my chin. I'm going to be taking this, actually, I'm going to be taking this. I was going to take the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow palette, and I was going to grab the blush in there, but I think I'm going to grab this palette right here and take that blush right there. Lately, since summer started, which it just started, I just been really packing on the blush. Not like packing it on like a lot, like I don't want to look like a clown, but just so it looks like I'm kind of, like I kind of have sunburn, and yeah, so like put it under my eyes, a little bit on my nose, just so it kind of brings the look together and it kind of looks like I have sunburn. So I took the bronzer that we used and I just contoured my nose. If you guys want a separate video on how I contour my nose, just comment down below. It's just very simple. It's not really like a lot of techniques, but yeah, but I can do a nose like slimming tutorial, you know. But I'm gonna do highlighter now. I did put some powder right here just to make that effect where my nose look a little bit more smaller. And I just put some powder on my smile line so I don't get smile lines day to day. But now we're going to go in with highlighter, the best part, and then we'll do the bottom lash line and stuff. But I'm going to be taking this NYX Professional Makeup Kit in London, and there's a highlighter in here which I'm going to be taking, and then I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Paris 24-hour eyeshadow in Ice Latte, I believe. Yes, Ice Latte. So I'm just going to take that and put it wherever I, you know, highlight. Now I'm going to be taking the bronzer that we used, and I'm going to be taking that and taking that on this little flat fluffy brush and put that on the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to be taking the contour that we used from the Ulta Beauty palette. And I'm going to do the same exact thing, keep it on the outer part of the eye. Alright, so then I took this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I took the white that's in there right here. It's not like a total white, but it's close enough. And I just put that on my brow bone. I think I'm going to take this palette and I'm going to be taking this color right here. And I'm actually going to put that really close to the bottom lash line and actually pack it on my waterline. And I'm just going to go like right here. I'm not going to really go really far with that. I'm just going to stop it right in the middle. And yeah. So I ran out of space on my camera, so I took the SD card and put it in my computer so I can move the move the clips that I recorded to my files. And I was just figuring out what kind of lippy I should go in with, and I went with the orange. I know, wrong idea. Wrong. It was a bad idea. It was a bad idea. And I decided that I didn't like it, so I took it off. I only had it on for literally like not even 5 seconds, and my lips were stained so much, and I was like scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing it with a makeup wipe, and it would not come off. So yeah, and I didn't find any like lippy that really like matched this look, so I just went in with a gloss. And yeah, this is the Revlon lip gloss in Sky Pink. I am so mad how my lips look, so mad on how it looks, but you know, don't do it at home. Just put on the gloss. It will look so good, so good. The mascara that I used was the 4-in-1 mascara, Lights Camera Lashes mascara by Tarte, and I put that on my lashes obviously, and on my bottom lashes I only put it on the ones that were back here. The 2 highlighters that I used for my face, I used that for my inner corner highlight, and I also brought it kind of on my lower lash line just so it kind of brightens up the lip a little bit. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else. This video is a collaboration with somebody, so if you want to go check out her video, her name's KIRSTEN. If you want to go check out her dramatic makeup look as I explained in the beginning of this video, it will be down below in the description for you guys, so you guys could go check it out and go, like, you know, subscribe to her and stuff like that. If you like how this makeup turned out, and if you're going to be wearing it for summer, give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you guys want to see next. That helps me figure out what you guys want to see and what you guys like and stuff like that. Also, subscribe if you're new, and also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first ones to like, comment, and share this video. And yeah, so I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!